How to appear offline on Ubisoft Connect. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your online status so you can enjoy gaming without interruptions from your friends. So to get started, first open your Ubisoft Connect client on your PC. So if you haven't installed it yet, you can grab it from the Ubisoft website. So once you're in, go to the upper left corner and select your profile name. So this will bring you into your profile settings where you can manage your online status. So next, click on the online status. Here, you will see the options to set your visibility. Then, select invisible to ensure that you appear offline to everyone. So this change means that you can still chat with your friends if they message you, but they won't see you as online. So it is perfect when you want some peace while gaming.